Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I am going to clearly explain with demo the installation procedure of ESP8266 library for Arduino IDE. To make it a little common, Node MCU library installation for Arduino IDE. I am not calling it as Node MCU library installation with a reason which I will explain you why. Node MCU is an evaluation board built on ESP8266 SoC, and that's the reason I am telling it as installation of ESP8266 library. That makes more sense, right? Now we will gain the complete knowledge about installation of all the software related content, I mean the libraries for handling Node MCU. How are you going to go about it? Very simple. Please visit the GitHub repo https github.com/ESP8266/Arduino. I will also paste this link in the description so that you can click it. And inside that link, once you go, you will have the installation procedure clearly mentioned, and there will be a link to the JSON file https arduino.esp8266.com/table/package_esp8266com_index.json. This is the one that you need to copy. Just copy this and I'll show you how exactly to do that as a real-time demo. I am visiting the site now, the github.com/ESP8266/Arduino. I am now scrolling, and there you have got installing with Boards Manager content, and in that you have got the link that I am talking about. We have got the JSON link. Just copy paste it. Now you will have to copy it. You can paste it in the section that I am going to tell you a little later. So that's it. This is the first step. Well, what next? Very simple. Open the Arduino IDE. Please go to File, click Preferences. So I'm going to do that as well for you here. You can see that I'm going to Arduino IDE. I'm clicking File, and there I'm clicking Preferences. And if you see that, there will be a link called as, there will be a space for additional board manager URLs. That's all. That is what we are going to use right now. I'll show you how exactly to use that. And the link that we have copied the JSON link right from GitHub repo. You paste it here and click Save. That's all. That's what we are going to do right now. See that over. I am pasting the JSON link right exactly here, and the JSON link is the one that I have copied from the GitHub repo. So it's going to be very easy for you to understand as well. So see that I have pasted it here and click OK. That's all. The procedure is almost complete. But you have something more to be done, which I'll tell you how to do with these. You go to Preferences, and inside that the additional boards manager URL will be there. That's all. Now, what's the next step? Now we need to go ahead with board manager, and there we need to download the library files for ESP8266. You need to go to Tools, and inside Tools, Board, there you can see the board manager option. Right. What next? I'll show you the complete procedure. There you need to type in the board manager. You can have, see, I'll show you the demo as well. There you can type ESP8266. And it will immediately search, and it will present you the library files content which is available. And you can click install, and the moment you install it, you are all done. I'll show you the procedure as well. So once the installation is all done, you can go to board Arduino Uno, and inside that you will see ESP8266 boards listed. And out of that you can see the Node MCU 1.0 ESP-12E module listed, which means the installation is all proper. We can see that right now here. I'm going to Tools, Board, and in that board manager, I'm going to board manager search option. I'm typing ESP8266. Once I type that, I get the library listed, and I can install it. So moment I install it, all the contents will be downloaded, and it may take 1 minute maximum for you to install this fully. And once you do that, it's all going to be easy. So it's going on here, as you can see. So let's fast forward it a little bit. You can see that the installation is almost complete. And once the installation is complete, we can validate if we have everything done correctly. Go to Tools, Board Manager, and you can see that ESP8266 is listed. Node MCU 1.0 ESP-12E module is listed. That's all. You have installed the library files correctly. That's very simple. Try it out, and in case you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for following my channel and content. In case you have any questions, type it in the chat section. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.